Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our ibadat. On Acco Rifaaq, we have prepared a very special package for every Muslim to keep track of what is important during this month and to reap as many rewards as possible. To get started, just log in into the Acco Rifaaq app. If you are an existing user, you might see something like copy from our existing template. But if you are a new user, you'd see this screen like this and you can click on select from our template. Just look for where we have the Ramadan template. This is the third one here. Click on it and you see the list of tasks that are available that we have prepared to allow you keep track and stay up to date with important things during this month. So we have ibadat like Tilawatul Quran, daily reflection, morning and evening adhkar, and we also have there book reading, reaching out to families, and sadaqah and the likes. So just click on proceed with templates. You have this confirmation pop up and click on yes. So once you do that, they get copied into your personal template, and you can now modify as you want. If you need to make edits, you can click on this, adjust the time if you need to, and so just finalize everything, then click on this start your task here. So once you do that, you would have your to-do list for each day populated and you can click on them as you do them. And when you do that, we have also made another special package for you as well. You can come to the analytics screen. You would find this check your Ramadan analytics here. When you click on it, you would be able to see this high level summary of things you need to get done, how far you've come so far during this Ramadan, what are your best performing deeds, what are the ones that are least performed that you need to watch out for. And like you can see here, you get reminders promptly at the time of every task. So I invite every one of you to join us and experience a very unique Ramadan, inshallah. Barakallahu fikum.